Gift card scams are a big problem. They are growing fast. Scammers love them because they are hard to trace. Victims lose a lot of money. The holidays are a prime time for these scams. People are rushing to buy gifts. They let their guard down. Scammers take advantage of this. Don't become a victim. Learn how to protect yourself. This essay will tell you how. Gift cards are like cash to scammers. Once they have the card number, the money is gone. It's almost impossible to trace. Scammers pressure you to act fast. They create a sense of urgency. They might say you owe money. They might promise you a prize. They often target vulnerable people. This includes the elderly and people new to technology. Don't be afraid to question requests for gift cards. Scammers are always coming up with new tricks. They are constantly evolving their methods to deceive unsuspecting victims. It's important to stay informed and vigilant. One common scam is the phishing email. These emails often look legitimate and can easily trick you into providing sensitive information. It looks real, but it's fake. Scammers use logos and language that mimic real companies to gain your trust. They may pretend to be your bank. They might claim there's an urgent issue that needs your immediate attention. They might say there's a problem with your account. This is designed to create a sense of panic and urgency. They'll ask for your personal information. This can include your social security number, passwords, or bank details. Never give out this information over email. Always verify the source by contacting the organization directly using a known phone number. Another scam is the phone call. Scammers can spoof phone numbers to make it look like they're calling from a legitimate source. They might say, "You've won a prize." This is a common tactic to lure you into providing personal information or paying a fee. Or they might threaten you with arrest. This is meant to scare you into complying with their demands. Remember, legitimate organizations won't pressure you like this. Always take a moment to think and verify before taking any action. Stay safe and informed. Section 4. Stay safe. Tips to protect yourself from scammers. In today's digital age, scammers are becoming increasingly sophisticated, making it crucial to stay vigilant. Be wary of anyone asking for payment in gift cards. Scammers often use this method because it's difficult to trace and nearly impossible to recover once sent. This is a huge red flag. Always question why someone would need payment in such an unconventional form. No legitimate business operates this way. Reputable companies will never ask for gift cards as a form of payment. Don't give out personal information over the phone or email. Scammers often pose as trusted entities to extract sensitive data. If you didn't initiate the contact, be suspicious. Verify the identity of the caller or sender before sharing any information. If something feels off, trust your gut. Hang up the phone. Delete the email. It's always better to be cautious. It's better to be safe than sorry. Taking these precautions can help protect you from falling victim to scams and keep your personal information secure. Section 5. What to do if you're scammed. Act fast and report it. Time is of the essence when dealing with scams. If you think you've been scammed, don't be ashamed. You're not alone. Scammers are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and anyone can fall victim. Many people fall victim to these schemes. It's important to share your experience with others to raise awareness. Report it to the authorities immediately. The sooner you act, the better the chances of mitigating the damage. Contact your local police department and the Federal Trade Commission. They have resources to help you. You can also report the scam to the gift card company. They often have protocols in place to handle such situations. They might be able to help you recover some of your money. Remember, knowledge is power. Educate yourself on common scams. Stay informed and stay safe. Regularly update yourself with the latest information on how to protect yourself from scams.